All right, let's go over how to draw Venom versus Ninja Turtles, or Ninja Turtle. It's gonna be a headshot mostly, okay? So we're gonna go over here, we're gonna curve for the top of the head of Venom. Keep pulling down right there. He has huge eyes, right? I mean, that's kind of like a given. Pulling over here back for the top of the mouth, and it's gonna pull upward over there into this like smile sort of thing. But follow along with me, by the way. Be a cool experience. Curve down over here for the lower portion of the mouth. And we're going to go over here and draw the eyes. So we're going to go over here, pull up, wiggle back, up over here, back over here, and then curve underneath down. That shape can be really ambiguous, right? You can make it wiggly in any way, just make it its overall shape of an eye, though. That would be the most important part. Let's go into the curved line over here of the skin on the side of the mouth there. You see that on lizards and stuff. Curving back for the jaw, down, underneath. Back. Maybe line over here, make the neck a little bit higher. Curl over here for underneath the neck right there, like the lower neck. Back down. Start with the teeth right there, which is what he's most famous for. Down right there, down right there. Or just kind of keep it going. You can change up the size of the teeth a little bit. Right? Line underneath here. Same thing with the bottom teeth. Just change up the size a little bit here and there. Nothing wild. Curve underneath. Line over here. Right? And we're going to have this huge tongue right there. Not too far in because we want the Ninja Turtle to be there. Curve down underneath and pull down here. And a little bit right here for the back teeth of the mouth. Fill it in, fill it in, fill it in, fill it in. Line over here. We're going to fill in the back portion of the mouth. Line in, line in. And I'm drawing little lines right here for the gums. You can see the gums kind of right there. Giving it Venom a little bit more depth and reality, right? Line over here for this portion of the tongue. And if you want, you could draw some darkness in here. Curve underneath. Line underneath here. And line underneath here. Curve up, curve down. And that can pretty much, that'll be pretty much kind of it for Venom, honestly. Maybe draw a neck over here or like some part right there. But that is, you know, a big chunk of him. Let's go over here and we're going to draw Ninja Turtle. Again, face to face. Probably Raphael. He's always the toughest one. But going to go line over here down. Right there for kind of the angling of the mask that he has on. Pulling over here, up. Curve line over here. Back. Curve line over here. Down. Curve line for the top of the mask. Pulling up. Down. And some kind of folding over here for kind of the back of the mask area. Right on. Pulling up over here for the top of the head. Down. Let's go here for the front. Not too forward. Over here in this area, pulling up, back, line. Curve over here. Down around this area. And it's going to be kind of rounded over here for this, right? Because they have really incredibly round heads. And then line over here for his neck, which half the time they don't have necks, but half the time they do. Over here in the back, circle. And line over here to kind of have his, you know, the bandana tied over there somewhere. Can be far, can be near. Curve over here. Let's get a little bit more of a furrow. I want him to make him look a little bit meaner. Line over here. And then right here, you're gonna have his teeth, like right there. Line, 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 line. Curve up, curve over here. Line over here. Line over there. Curve, curve. Line over here. Curve line around this area. And fill it out right there. Right there. Just kind of make it dark. And he's obviously much smaller than Venom. So that's kind of like, you know, something to keep in mind. And so we're not going to draw any more than that because we want to have like, you know, that kind of same amount of each character drawn. But you have this, you can throw a little bit of darkness over here, maybe in the back of Venom's jaw. Same thing with, I'm going to guess is Raphael, to be honest. Curve over here, line over here. You can always throw little tiny lines to kind of show off just kind of like the detailed and forms like that. It just makes it look a lot more grounded, a lot more, I don't know, there's something about it. I'm not really sure what that is. What I want you to do is I want you to think of maybe somebody, some two other characters you want like a versus tutorial on, and let me know. And I want you to stick around, and I want you to do another one with me, so stick around. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.